It's okay. Don't be scared. Go back to your nest. It's okay. It's okay. Stay there. Don't go. Don't go. Stay there. Baby robins. Oh my goodness. You guys stop fighting. My gracious. That's all day fighting. Carmela and Manola. They love each other very much, but they fight all the time. Especially when food arrives. You're not behaving, Manola. Why you're so bad with Carmela? Ay, no está haciendo pipí. We have to comb your beard. This is Eva, her upper lip is longer than the one at the bottom. Oh my goodness. She was escaping from Carmela. Carmela, ¿qué tú le estás haciendo a Eva? Carmela? Eso no se hace, Carmela, okay? You don't do that to Eva. Carmela, why you're so bad to the other goats, no? That's not nice. You gotta be nicer, Carmela. Carmela is a bully. Oh, me voy. I'm leaving. You guys are not behaving. I have to harvest some beans. I got some beans, some peppers. They're starting to ripe, but I'm gonna send it to a friend in the mail. It's gonna finish ripening at their house. And some bell peppers that I got here too for them. Okay, Manuel, I know you want your cucumber, okay? Hold on. Oh, I got it for you. Hold on. Here. Oh. There you go. Thank you for giving me milk, Manola. I give her a vegetable or a fruit after milking. Alright guys, I'm taking a quick break and I'm gonna go downstairs and plant my seeds for the fall garden. Yes, seeds. I couldn't find any seedlings anywhere. I called several garden stores around the area. They don't have any. So I decided to order some seeds. They came today. And I just ordered some of the brassicas that only takes no more than 2 months to grow and give me fruit, which is time enough for me to have some harvest. Let me show you what I got. Here are the seeds, and these two I'm gonna plant directly into the garden. The beets and the beans. They grow really fast. They take no more than 2 months to grow and give you fruit. And these two varieties here, brassicas, the green magic broccoli and the stonehead cabbage. This one only takes 55 days to grow and give you fruit, so very magical, right? And this cabbage here, I love cabbage. Cabbage love cold weather, so it's not going to be a problem with frost later on in the season. It takes 70 days, but I still got time.